Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm really glad you're here today because this lesson is going to be one of the most practical and useful ones I've ever made. If you've ever wondered how to sound more natural, confident, and fluent in your everyday English conversations, this video is for you. We're going to go through 35 common English phrases that people use all the time in daily life. These are not textbook phrases. These are real phrases you'll hear native speakers use at home, at work, with friends, in shops, or anywhere. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand these phrases, but also know how and when to use them naturally, just like a fluent speaker. So, let's begin your journey to speaking smoother, more confident English, one phrase at a time. Section 1. Morning phrases. Let's start with some phrases you can use in the morning, when your day begins. 1. Rise and shine. This means wake up, but in a cheerful way. For example, if your friend is still in bed, you can say, "Hey, rise and shine. It's time to start the day." 2. Did you sleep well? A simple, friendly question to ask someone in the morning. Example: Good morning. Did you sleep well last night? 3. I'm still half asleep. You can say this when you're awake, but still feeling sleepy. Example: Don't talk to me yet. I'm still half asleep. 4. I need my coffee first. A very common morning phrase. People use it to say they can't function properly before drinking coffee. Example: I'll talk to you after my coffee. I need my coffee first. 5. What's on your agenda today? This means, what are your plans for today? Example: Good morning. What's on your agenda today? These phrases help you sound friendly, polite, and natural in everyday morning conversations. Section 2. Casual everyday talk. Now, let's move to phrases you can use in everyday situations, chatting with friends, coworkers, or anyone you meet. 6. How's it going? This means how are you, but sounds more casual. Example: Hey, how's it going? You can reply, pretty good. What about you? 7. Long time no see. This is something you say when you haven't seen someone in a long time. Example: Wow, long time no see. How have you been? 8. What's up? Another casual greeting. It's like saying, how are you? Or what are you doing? Example: Hey, what's up? You can reply, not much, just relaxing. 9. I can't complain. A polite, positive way to say things are okay. Example: How are you doing? I can't complain. 10. You've got to be kidding. Use this when you're surprised or can't believe something. Example: They're giving us a day off tomorrow. You've got to be kidding. These are phrases you'll hear all the time in real conversations. They make your English sound relaxed and natural. Section 3. At work or school. Let's move to phrases you can use in professional or school settings. 11. Let's get started. Perfect for starting a meeting, a class, or any activity. Example: All right, everyone, let's get started. 12. I'm on it. This means you're taking responsibility or working on something. Example: Can you send a report by noon? I'm on it. 13. That sounds good. Use this to agree with a plan or suggestion. Example: Let's have lunch at 1. That sounds good. 14. I'll keep you posted. This means I'll update you with new information. Example: I'll keep you posted on the project. 15. Sorry for the delay. A polite phrase when something took longer than expected. Example: Sorry for the delay. I got stuck in traffic. Section 4. When you need help or a favor. Sometimes you need to ask for something politely. These phrases help you do that naturally. 16. Could you do me a favor? A polite way to ask for help. Example: Hey, could you do me a favor and send me that file? 17. Would you mind helping me? Another polite form. Example: Would you mind helping me with this problem? 18. I'd really appreciate it. You can use this after someone helps you or when you ask politely. Example: If you could check this for me, I'd really appreciate it. 19. Thanks a lot. A friendly, strong way to show gratitude. Example: Thanks a lot for your help today. 20. No problem at all. A natural reply when someone thanks you. Example: Thanks for the help. No problem at all. Section 5. Expressing feelings and reactions. Here are some natural phrases for expressing emotions and reactions in daily life. 21. I'm feeling under the weather. This means you're feeling a little sick. Example: I think I'll rest today. I'm feeling under the weather.
22. I'm starving.
This means I'm very hungry. Example: Let's grab some food.
I'm starving.
23. That's hilarious. Use this when something is really funny. Example: You should have seen his face. It was hilarious. 24. That makes sense. A polite way to say you understand or agree. Example: Oh, now I get it. That makes sense. 25. Fingers crossed. Say this when you're hoping for a good result. Example: My exam is tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Section 6. When things go wrong. We all have moments when something doesn't go as planned. Here are useful phrases for that. 26. It happens. A way to say that mistakes or bad things are normal. Example: I spill my coffee again. Don't worry, it happens. 27. Better late than never. Use this when something happens later than expected, but it's still good that it happened. Example: You finally finished your book. Yeah, better late than never. 28. I messed up. Means you made a mistake. Example: I messed up the report. I'll fix it. 29. It's not a big deal. A phrase to say something isn't serious. Example: Sorry for being late. It's not a big deal. 30. Let's move on. When something didn't work and you want to continue forward. Example: The plan failed, but let's move on. Section 7. Making plans and invitations. These phrases help you sound natural when planning something with others. 31. Are you free this weekend? A common way to ask if someone has time. Example: Hey, are you free this weekend? 32. Let's catch up soon. This means let's meet and talk after a while. Example: It's been ages. Let's catch up soon. 33. Sounds like a plan. A positive reply when you agree to do something. Example: Let's meet at 5. Sounds like a plan. 34. Count me in. This means you want to join. Example: We're going hiking this Saturday. Count me in. 35. I'll let you know. Use this when you're not sure yet. Example: Are you coming to the party? I'll let you know. Section 8. Putting it all together. Daily conversation example. Let's imagine how you might use these phrases in a single, natural conversation. Example: Morning time. Rise and shine. Did you sleep well? Not really. I'm still half asleep. I need my coffee first. Same here. So, what's on your agenda? Did today. I've got a meeting at 10. You? Nothing special, just some work emails. Later in the office. Hey, how's it going? Pretty good. I just finished the report.
Nice.
Let's get started on the next task. Sure, I'm on it.
Great.
I'll keep you posted about the updates. Sounds good. Lunch break. I'm starving. Where should we go? Let's try that new cafe. Sounds like a plan. Afternoon. Oh no, I messed up the presentation slide. It's not a big deal. It happens. Thanks for saying that. Evening. Hey, are you free this weekend? Yeah, let's catch up soon. Count me in. See how natural that sounds? You don't need complex grammar, just simple, useful phrases that native speakers actually use every day. Section 9. How to practice these phrases. Let me give you a few quick tips to help you remember and use these phrases naturally. Tip 1. Speak them out loud. When you watch this video, repeat the phrases aloud. Don't just read or listen. Speaking trains your mouth and brain together. Tip 2. Use 1 or 2 phrases a day. You don't need to memorize all 35 at once. Pick 1 or 2 and use them throughout your day. For example, say "sounds good" or "I'll keep you posted" when talking with someone. Tip 3. Practice with yourself. Talk to yourself in English. You could say, "I'm starving before lunch," or "I messed up if you make a mistake." It may sound funny, but this is how you train your brain to think in English. Tip 4. Listen for them in real life. When you watch movies, YouTube videos, or listen to podcasts, pay attention. You'll start hearing these exact phrases. Once you notice them, you'll understand how real they are in natural English. Tip 5. Build conversations around them. Don't memorize phrases alone. Create mini dialogues. For example, A. Are you free this weekend? B. I'll let you know. Simple practice like this makes these phrases stick. Section 10. Why simple phrases are powerful. You might think these phrases are too simple, but that's the beauty of them. Fluent speakers don't use big, complex words in daily conversation. They use short, natural expressions. And if you focus on these, your fluency will grow faster than trying to memorize complicated vocabulary or grammar rules. Think about it. If you know 35 phrases like these and can use them automatically, you'll already be able to handle most daily situations: greetings, small talk, work conversations, asking for help, and making plans. This is the real secret to becoming confident in English. Not perfection, but communication. These are your building blocks for natural, fluent English. So, there you have it, 35 English phrases for daily life that you can start using right now. Remember, the key to fluency is not studying harder, but using English every day in small ways. Start with a few of these phrases. Use them naturally in your conversations, and you'll notice your confidence grow faster than ever. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more practical English lessons like this one. And tell me in the comments, which of these phrases do you use most often, or which one will you start using today? Thanks for watching, keep practicing every day, and I'll see you in the next video.